say the past year has been difficult is an understatement. I mean, especially for us fitness enthusiasts who have repeatedly had to concoct new revolutionary methods in order to maintain our gains. One of my many investments throughout this time was a pair of adjustable dumbbells, which have quickly become my best friend during these dark times. Sorry, Loretta. Barbells are considered the king of exercise equipment. However, in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why dumbbells are better than barbells, as well as a full body workout program that you can download for free. You're welcome. So don't forget to hit that like button and let's get straight to it. Muscular imbalances. These are in no particular order, but for me, this is the biggest benefit I've experienced from working out with dumbbells is eliminating muscular imbalances. Whether you have thought about it or not, we all have a dominant side. The hand we write with, the hand we use to open doors, or even how we stand. Over time, these fractional movements that we make time over time compound, creating a dominant side, which is great for becoming more efficient in these movements. However, they also create muscular imbalances. If you train for a while, you have probably discovered that when training isolation movements, it is very unlikely you can curl the same amount of weight on your weakest side as you can your strongest side. Using dumbbells allows you to address these weaknesses and allows you to become more balanced. This is simply implemented through isolation training. Always make sure to start with your weaker side first, otherwise you may not be able to perform as many reps on your weaker side and create an even bigger imbalance. This also prevents your dominant side from overtaking the movement when your non-dominant side is exhausted. For example, if you're doing a dumbbell bench press, once your weaker side fails, the set is finished. However, when using a barbell, your dominant side may take over and allow you to squeeze a few extra reps out, will once again contribute to creating a greater muscular imbalance. Range of motion. Using dumbbells enables you to use a greater range of motion, which creates more muscular activation and recruitment. Take the bench press for example. Once the bar is to the chest, the exercise is at its end range. However, with dumbbells, you are able to lower the dumbbells a little bit further, which recruits more muscle fibers. Also, you will notice using dumbbells will require greater stabilizer muscle recruitment, which once again will contribute to greater gains and will also prevent you from dropping the dumbbells on your face. Less injury risk. Due to reasons 1 and 2, dumbbells also create greater risk of injury than using barbells for weight training. With barbells, we are able to lift roughly about 20% more weight, which is great for building muscle mass. However, with great power comes great responsibility. If you try and lift too heavy, you can easily injure yourself, with the brunt of the weight usually being absorbed by the non-dominant side. This has happened to me back in my heyday and is not something I recommend. Of course, this is not the barbell's fault. However, you must be careful when lifting heavy and close to your 1 rep max. Exercise selection. We all know for optimal strength gains that your training should revolve around compound movements such as the squat, the bench press and deadlifts. However, unless you're a powerlifter, these exercises can become a bit monotonous. Therefore, the freedom of having dumbbells allows you to explore a plethora of exercises that wouldn't be possible with a barbell. For example, lateral raises, Arnold press, or whatever fun and exciting movement you can come up with in your head. The world is your oyster, I think. And finally, and by no means last, space and time. Unless you're a famous YouTuber and have built your own gym from scratch in your massive garden, it's unlikely you have heaps of space to store all your workout equipment, so a pair of adjustable dumbbells can be all you need for the perfect home gym. I am confident that with 1 pair of adjustable dumbbells, you are able to build the physique of your dreams. So much so, I'm going to give you a free 6-week workout program just using strictly dumbbells, very similar to how I train myself. All you're going to need to do is hop over onto Instagram, follow me at PeteOnPurpose, and just shoot me a message saying 6 weeks dumbbell program, and I will send it straight over to you, and you will see great results. And this will be a great way to get you kick-started and looking your best version of you for summer. As well as space and time, they're also a great time saver, allowing you to quickly change the weights whilst you rest between sets, a simple task which is not so simple with a barbell. Speaking of time saving, I know your time is precious, so I'm going to stop the video right there, and I hope you enjoyed it. Drop it a like if you did, subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you in the next one.